I'm calling out your name. Oh, hear me, guiding friend. Life was so deluding. In darkness I was drowning. There came a light so bright, illuminated life. Since first I saw your beauty, your serenity and mercy, my heart is overflown with thanks to Allah for all the love you gave me and the wisdom that you taught me and the kindness in your eyes, gift of life. Allahumma arzuqana مرافقة الأولياء واجعل لنا وليا مرشدا. Gave me the gift of life, the yearning for paradise, the secret of how to love Allah. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. My heart in deepest wonder unfolds a mystery, the secret of existence, a life of love.